Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add links to Instagram stories. So in a recent update to the Instagram app on both iPhone and Android, everyone now has the ability to add a clickable link to your Instagram stories. In the past, it did require 10,000 followers on Instagram to be able to do this, but that is no longer the case. Anyone can add links that are clickable to their Instagram stories, and it's very easy. So the first thing you need to do to get started is make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram installed either on your Android phone or your iPhone. Then open up Instagram and start a story. So I'm just going to select the plus symbol next to your story up here in the top left. This will allow me to start creating a story. I'm just going to use an image just as a test. I'll do my logo right here. So now that I have the content of my Instagram story, and you can do this with anything such as text, images, maybe a video, anything like that. What we need to do is go up into the top menu and select the sticker icon, which looks like a sticker with a smiley face. Once you have stickers open, you should see one that says link right here. Go ahead and select that. And then all you need to do is enter the URL that you want to link to. So you want to type that in or paste it if you need to. You can also see a preview. So if I select see preview, it'll open up the link. I can make sure it's working correctly. Go ahead and close that by selecting the X in the top left. Now all I need to do is select done. And as you can see, I now have a new sticker that is a clickable link. I can drag it around, move it around. I can turn it by pinching it. I can make it bigger or smaller, whatever I need to do. Once you're done placing your sticker, go ahead and post your story. And now when I open and view the story and I select my sticker, it'll ask me to visit the link. And then as you can see, it opens up the link from my story. All right, so that's how you add a clickable link to an Instagram story. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.